Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jess. If you are not, welcome back. If you are new, I would love for you to go down there and click that big red subscribe button and turn on those post notifications so you guys can be notified every time I upload a new video. And without further ado, let's get started. In this video, I will be unboxing my Boxy Charm Premium, and a few videos ago I did my regular Boxy Charm. So this is the regular, and let me see if I can hold these both up side by side. And this is the premium. So this one is $25 and this one is $35. This one I got 5 full-size products and this one I will get 6 full-size products. So $10 difference for an additional product. I will say I was not impressed with this this month's regular box, so I'm hoping this one will be much better. So let's dig right in. Ooh, this one has a really pretty blue color on the inside. I love that. And usually it comes with a card. Okay, so here is the card. Again, the theme is festival vibes because we are in festival season, although there are no festivals going on, unfortunately. So first thing in the box that I see is, ooh, Natasha Denona. We're getting fancy in here. This is the Natasha Denona Blush Duo in the shade, it's in French and I'm not really going to try and pronounce that, so let me just get it out of the box here to show you guys. So this is what it looks like. And this is, let's see, Natasha Denona Blush Duo retails for $38. So pretty pricey, but for Natasha Denona, kind of expect that. This is interesting. It looks more like a bronzer highlighter almost. Like this shade here is pretty dark and this one's obviously pretty light. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch them for you. Wow. I'm pretty sure this is a bronzer because this is too dark to be a blush on me. And it's pretty chunky, like it's kind of falling apart as I swatch it. But these are it swatched here. Yeah, I'm not really too sure. They don't have any shimmer whatsoever, so that's interesting. So it says it's a non-oily and intensely pigmented blush with a soft silky texture for a natural bright look, perfect for all skin types, has a dominant color and then a more subtle color for seamless blending and softening edges. I don't know that I would use this as a blush just because it definitely looks more like a bronzer to me. I'm definitely gonna have to test that out. I would probably use this side here for like an all over face powder because that's definitely not not a blush. That's interesting. I don't know how I feel about this because it says blush, but I don't see it as a blush. It's more of a bronzer. But either way, it's the Natasha Denona formula, so hopefully I will get some use out of that. And again, that retails for $38. Up next, we have the Pharmacy Honey Potion Renewing Antioxidant Hydration Mask. I have the trial size, or like a little deluxe size, I should say, that I bought in like a pharmacy set. And this does not disappoint. If you have dry skin or you just need like a really hydrating mask, this is amazing. And look how cute the packaging is. And it comes with a little spoon and it's magnetic, which is awesome because I've already lost the spoon that came with the travel size. So good thing I have another one. But it smells really good. It's nice and sweet. It definitely heats up on the face. So as soon as you put it on your face and kind of massage it in, it does get a little warm, but your skin feels amazing after. My husband loves this mask, and this retails for $38. It says it's an intensely hydrating honey face mask for a glowing complexion infused with powerful antioxidants. This warming mask leaves skin soft, supple, and plump with hydration. I completely agree. I really do love this product, and I'm glad to have it in the normal size because I just have the travel size, and now I don't have to worry about running out because I have the full size. Up next, we have the Water Cloud Primer from Cover FX. I don't own too much from them. I think I only have a powder, like a setting powder from them, but this is Pollution and Blue Light Defense. Interesting. And this retails for $38. It's the Water Cloud Primer, a cooling mousse primer that instantly refreshes the complexion and defends skin against pollutions and blue light, enriched with a plankton extract to help work against the effects of blue light emissions and urban pollutants. Wear it alone or under makeup to nourish and protect skin all day. That's cool. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's kind of like a matte white packaging. Really, really nice Water Cloud Primer. I'm going to put some of this on the back of the hand, see what it feels like. Oh, it's blue in color. Can you guys see that? Interesting. It definitely feels cooling on the skin, so that is nice. And it's actually pretty hydrating. It has a faint scent to it, but not anything like super strong. And it goes away once you kind of blend it in. Really, really nice. It definitely smoothed out my skin on my hands, so I'm excited to try this. I usually don't really try primers, so this will be nice to add to my collection. Up next from Wander Beauty, we have the Mile High Club Volume and Length Mascara, and this retails for $26. Ooh, that's a little pricey. I don't really know much about Wander Beauty, but I do know that they are a pretty popular brand and they're a little up there in price. But this is the Mile High Volume and Length Mascara. One swipe is all you need for sky high lashes. With this volumizing and lengthening mascara, precise bristles grab and coat every lash for a flirty and fanned out effect, while jet black pigment intensely saturates, smudge proof, flake proof, and water resistant for all day wear. Nice. It looks like the packaging is already coming apart, which is kind of crazy. So you can see that lip, it's supposed to be flat, but it's come up. So that's kind of interesting. Let's see what the wand looks like. I am a big mascara person. Ooh, it has a nice, thin, natural bristled brush. So that's cool. I want to say that Allie Gaines here on YouTube likes this mascara. I feel like I've heard her or somebody else talk about it. So I'm excited to try this for 26 bucks. Kind of pricey, but hey, you never know. I'm really, really excited about this. So this is the Nude Stix Magnetic Lip Plush Paints. Wow, I don't know why that was so hard for me to say, but it looks like this. It is a little bit pinky for me as far as the color goes, but I've heard really good things about this formula, and I do love Nude Stix. This retails for $28 for lipstick, lip gloss, or whatever this is. Pretty expensive, but it's where luxury K-beauty and multitasking color meets long wear performance. Magnetic lip plush paints are luxurious soft nudes in a feather-light blurring matte velvet texture that is non-drying and long wearing, presented in a monochromatic tones. Okay, so this is in the shade Waikiki Rose. I'm going to give you a swatch. Ooh, I like the doe foot applicator. It's a little on the bigger side, but it's like a flat paddle brush. Ooh, this is really pinky. I would definitely wear this with like a dark brown lip liner just to kind of counteract that pinkiness, but it's really pretty and I do like the texture. So that's nice. I don't know how much use I'll get out of it just because the color is a little bit more pink for me, or a little too pink for me, but you never know. And then last but not least, we have the IGK Good Behavior Spirulina Protein Smoothing Spray. It's a keratin-like treatment in a can for 24-hour frizz control, and it protects your hair up to 450 degrees. And this retails for, this is $32, not $38, $32. So it's a heat protective blowout spray that mimics the smooth, frizz-free results of a keratin treatment. 100% agreed their hair looked like they had gotten a keratin treatment at the salon. Because it's a heat protectant blowout spray, I don't blow dry my hair just because I have naturally wavy hair, and I try not to use any heat on it. If I do use heat, like if I am going to straighten my hair, I won't blow dry it before. I let it air dry and then I straighten it, just because I have really problematic hair, and blow drying it and then straightening it is just too much heat. So I do love IGK. IGK is one of my favorite hair brands. I do like a handful of their products, and a couple of their products are my holy grails, which I mentioned in my Sephora VIP recommendations video. But I don't think I'll be able to use this just because, again, I don't blow dry my hair, so that kind of sucks. But I will definitely find this another home that I'm sure it would get more use out of. But other than that, let me add up everything and see what the total comes out to. So we have 38 for the face mask, the pharmacy face mask. Then we have 38 for the Cover FX primer. Then we have 38 for the Natasha Denona blush duo. $32 for the IGK Spirulina Spray, $28 for the Nude Stix Lip Gloss, and $26 for the Wander Beauty Mascara. So that comes out to a total of $200, and the box was $35. So you are saving $165, which is awesome if you love all the products in this box. I will say that there was another box that had an eyeshadow palette. I believe Manny MUA's Life's a Drag palette was in one of the box options. Unfortunately, this month, both of my boxes came without palettes, which I was really, really sad about. I'm not really happy with either of the boxes. I mean, I will get more use out of this box than I did the just regular BoxyCharm box that I got last week. That being said, I really don't like the boxes from BoxyCharm, which I hate to say. I think the only one I actually liked was the Boxy Luxe, which I got last month. But I mean, these are the only two boxes that I've gotten other than that one, and they've just kind of let me down. I feel like I start off on such a high note with that Boxy Luxe box, even though that is a quarterly box, and I believe it's like $75 or something like that. So it's a lot more pricey, but you do get a lot more products and better products, I think. You know, some people may love this box. I mean, like I said, I like this one better than the previous box that I got for this month, but definitely would have liked an eyeshadow palette so I could do kind of like try-on style videos, which is where I would like to take this kind of series on my channel. But yeah, I mean, not the worst box, but definitely not the best. That not Charlotte Tilbury, this Natasha Denona Glow, I don't know how I feel about it, because it's more of a bronzer than a blush, and I don't know what I'm gonna do with that lighter color. Maybe use it as like a pressed translucent powder, or I'm not too sure, but I have it in my collection, so I will try and find a use for it. But thank you guys so much for tuning in, and until next time, bye guys.